This is an image that I generated, and this is the video I generated from the image.
Good evening to you. Do you know that fruits will help your digestive system? Come and buy your fresh fruits here at cheap rates.
And here is the best part. This entire thing was done only using free AI tools. I didn't use any paid tool for this. Stick around, let me show you exactly how I did it from start to finish. And before you start having double thoughts, let me clarify that it is not difficult at all. Even a 10-year-old can do this, and you don't even need to own a laptop or any fancy gadgets. You can use this kind of AI videos to make money on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Many people are even promoting their businesses and products using this type of videos, so learning it is very beneficial. And at the end of the video, I'll show you 3 things you can do to make money from this type of videos online. For those of you that are interested in making money from AI videos, I have an entire playlist that you can watch to get started. People are making money every month from AI videos on YouTube, others are making money from AI videos on TikTok, and so on. So if you have the passion for monetizing your AI created videos, this my playlist is good for you. You can click here to watch the playlist. Now, without wasting much time, let's begin. So, what kind of video do you want to create? You must decide the kind of video you want to create first before you proceed. If not, you will get confused when it comes to generating images and you end up getting a result you don't expect. So, for me, I just want to create a video of a Nigerian market woman that is selling fruits and encouraging people to patronize her. Whatever you want to create, you must first of all come up with the idea, then you can proceed from there. But let's say you don't currently have an idea of the video you want to create. What is the solution? You can use ChatGPT to come up with an idea. For example, I will just open ChatGPT. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. If you are using a PC, then you can just go to chatgpt.com. So I will just ask ChatGPT, I want to generate a short AI video that gets views on social media to give me 5 video ideas. ChatGPT will give you free ideas that you can use. As for me, I want to create a video of a Nigerian market woman that is promoting her fruit business. So I need to generate a prompt for the image. For this idea, I will ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt of 9 by 16 image of a Nigerian market woman that is selling fruit in front of her shop. When writing image prompt, make sure to include the camera angle, the expression on your character's face, the environment, and so on. This will help you get the maximum result. So, my own, I want a calm evening look, smiling woman, and I want the woman to be facing directly at the camera. Then I will send the prompt and ChatGPT will generate a prompt for me. As you can see, the prompt has been generated. Now I need to generate an image from this prompt. You can use any AI image generator tool. There are many of them, but for this tutorial, I want to use Ideogram because it is one of the best. Just open your browser and go to ideogram.ai, then sign in using your Gmail. After that, select the aspect ratio for your image. As for me, I want a 9 by 16 image ratio, which is the size of shorts, video, and TikTok videos. Then paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave you and click here. Within just a few seconds, your image will be generated for you. As you can see, I have 2 images. I prefer this one, so I will download it. Of course, if you don't like the image that was generated, you can generate it again or tell ChatGPT to give you another prompt. As for me, I think this image is perfect for my video. Now that I have the picture that I want to use, the next thing is to turn this picture into the video. Remember, I want the woman to say something. I want her to be promoting her fruit business. So how do we go about the voice? If it was before, you will need to generate voice differently from AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Speechma. But thank God for this tool because it will also generate voice for us. The name of the tool is Grok. This tool is so powerful and it is completely free. If you are using an Android phone, go to your Play Store and download it. You can also download it for your iPhone on the App Store. After installing this app, they'll ask you to sign in or register. You can register with your email. You can register with your Facebook or X account. Just choose anyone you want. After that, your account will be created and you can start using the app to make magic. When the app is finally open, you can see it looks similar to ChatGPT. This tool can also be used for generating prompts and other tasks, but I still prefer to use ChatGPT for prompts. But when it comes to turning images to video, this tool is the best for me because other image to video tools just generate videos without sounds, but this tool will turn your image to video with sounds. So, to begin creating your video, click Create Videos. Here, you can even just type a prompt and generate a video from the prompt. Here are the kind of videos that you can generate. Can you see how perfect the videos are? Sometimes it even baffles me to know something like this is even for free. But we thank God, sha. Since I already have my image, I will just click here to find the image I want to use. Here is the image. I will just tap on it to select it. Then after that, I need to type what I want the woman to say and the accent. Unfortunately, you can't choose a different AI voice by yourself, so the AI will just look at your prompt and use a voice that matches what you want. Even though this is a drawback in some way, but looking at it as a free tool, I think this is the best you can get. Now, in these prompts, you should mention the accent you want. As I am using a Nigerian woman, I must mention Nigerian accent. If not, the voice may end up sounding like American accent when the woman is Nigerian. Also, if you need all the prompts I used in this video, I will leave a link to them in the description of the video so you can get them from there. I want the woman to say, "Good evening to you. Do you know that eating fruits every day will help your digestive system? Come and buy your fresh fruits here at cheap rates." If you want to include hand movements or you want the person to be walking around, you can include it in the prompt. But as for me, I just want the woman to stand in one place while talking and facing directly at the camera. The other things will be automatically done by the AI. So let me send it and allow it to load. So the image is being generated and this will take not more than 2 minutes normally. And out of all the image to video tools I've used, this one is still the fastest I have come across. While the video is being generated, let me ask you if you have subscribed to my channel. Because if you haven't, your AI video will not work. I'm just kidding. But seriously, why have you not subscribed? Because on this channel, I teach you how to make money through surveys and other methods. I also teach you online businesses and show you everything I'm doing to be productive online and all for free. So if you want to see more of my videos, just click subscribe, then like this video to help me reach more people. Okay, the video is ready. It took less than 2 minutes and the video is ready. Now, let me play the video for you to see.
Good evening to you. Do you know that fruits will help your digestive system? Come and buy your fresh fruits here at cheap rates.
Can you see how perfect the video is? Imagine we did all these things free of charge. You can generate as much video as you want with this tool, so you are welcome. Now I have a question for you. Now that you know how to turn images to videos with AI, What are you going to do with this knowledge? Will you just learn and forget about it, or you will learn to start using it to improve your life? I know of some content creators who are making money every month from this type of videos. So if you just learn it and forget it, then you are leaving a lot on the table. Here are 3 things you can do with this knowledge to start making money from it. You can use these AI videos to sell affiliate products. These days, people create AI influencers and use them to sell affiliate products online. The process is easy. They just generate a random cartoon person or a realistic person and then use that image to make videos promoting affiliate products. And trust me, they are making sales from it. Because if they are not making sales, they would have stopped doing it. If you want me to make a tutorial video about this, let me know in the comment section. If I see a lot of interested comments, I will make a video on it. You can start a faceless AI YouTube channel. AI faceless channels are like gold mines these days because YouTube is paying very high. Imagine making $5,000 for 1 million views. You can use this knowledge to start a YouTube channel that will pay you money. You can use this knowledge to start a YouTube channel that will pay you money monthly through Google AdSense. You can start a TikTok account and monetize using this type of videos. If you go to YouTube right now, you will come across a lot of accounts that are posting AI videos and getting millions of views. And TikTok is also another platform that pays high for your videos, and getting views on TikTok is very easy. When you get 100k views and 10k followers, you can monetize your TikTok account. Also, if you want me to make a tutorial videos on this, let me know in the comment section. So, I wish you good luck and I wish to reach you with my next video. Thank you for watching.